Possessive pronouns. Exercise 4. Write the correct possessive form of the noun in possessive noun. Write the correct possessive form of the noun in parentheses. Sample 1. My brother's name is Jack. The brother is here in the bracket. So we have to write the correct possessive pronoun from it. So the sentence was my dash name is Jack. In the bracket it is brother. So the possessive noun will be brother's name is Jack. My brother's name is Jack. Number 1. I borrowed my dash biology notes bracket in the bracket friend. I borrowed my dash biology notes in the bracket friend. So it will be I borrowed my friend's biology notes. Number 2. My dash names are Lee, Emily and Sarah in the bracket sisters. My dash names are Lee, Emily and Sarah in the bracket sisters. My sisters names are Lee, Emily and Sarah. Number 3. Where did you put dash my umbrella, Ellen? Where did you put dash umbrella, Ellen? Where did you put Ellen's umbrella, right? Number 4. There is a sale on dash slacks in the bracket women. So it will be there is a sale on women's slacks. Number 5. A dictator has little regard for dash wishes in the bracket pupil. A dictator has little regard for dash wishes in the bracket pupil. A dictator has little regard for pupil's wishes. Number 6. The dash names are Madame Vigny and Madame Strauss, French women in the bracket French women. The dash names are Madame Vigny and Madame Strauss, French women. The dash names are Madame Vigny and Madame Strauss, French women. So the answer with the French women's names are Madame Vigny and Madame Strauss. Number 7. Are you dash sister? In the bracket Danny's. Are you Danny's sister? Danny's sisters. Are you Danny's sister? Number 8. I borrowed my dash snow shovel neighbor. I borrowed my dash snow shovel neighbor. I borrowed my neighbor's snow shovel. Number 9. Have the dash passes been distributed? In the bracket visitors. Have the dash passes been distributed? Have the dash. Have the visitors passes been distributed? Number 10. The British advance was slowly by the dash resistance. The British advance was slowly by the resistance. Minutemen. The British advance was slowly by the Minutemen's resistance. So composition hint. When you write a paragraph or even a sentence, see if you can reduce the numbers of words you have used. Sometimes the possessive nouns can help. For example, instead of the car that my brother has, 6 words, write my brother's car. And you can use the possessive noun in 3 words. So we have to go in the next exercises. Rewrite the following paragraph using possessive nouns. Whatever possible, you should be able to reduce the number of words in the paragraphs from 69 to 56. So the paragraph is, the dog that Anja owns is a huge but gentle. He tries to get the attention of her friends to show that he likes them. The parents of Anja too are fond of the dog. At first, some neighbors were frightened by the size of the dog. They feared for the safety of their children. Now they no longer worry. By the way, the name of the dog is Tiny. So we will upload the answer in the next day class after doing the exercise. So thank you for joining.